Welcome to Bukidnon, where tradition dances with time and the heartbeat of our heritage echoes through the ages. Behold, Lake Apo, a timeless masterpiece painted by nature. Its tranquil waters mirror the soul of a province steeped in natural wonders. Enter the golden kingdom of Bukidnon's pineapple fields. Taste the sweetness of our land, where every pineapple carries the essence of Bukidnon's richness. Feel the rhythm of the land beneath your hooves and explore the vastness of Bukidnon's beauty. Awaken your senses to the symphony of Bukidnon coffee, from the meticulous picking to the rhythmic roasting. Indulge in the sweet perfection of binake, a delicacy that transcends taste and becomes a journey through flavor. Step into the ethereal beauty of the Monastery of Transfiguration. In this sacred space, find serenity as you explore the spiritual heartbeat of Bukidnon. Discover the artistry woven into every thread of Bukidnon's cultural tapestry. Each piece is a living canvas that tells a story of resilience and creativity. These fleeting moments nearly brush the surface of Bukidnon's heartbeat, from the primal beats of tribal dance to captivating traditions. Each heartbeat pulses with the soul of our extraordinary land, until our paths cross again in the heartland of Mindanao. This is Bukidnon, where every heartbeat echoes through eternity.